All right, ladies, so I'm gonna show you really quick how I make my favorite coconut cream coffee creamer. If you buy this is just my favorite brand. I've tried them all, and I found that if you buy this, what you need to know about it is it's very thick inside. About half of this can is a solid, and the rest of it is a liquid. And the two ingredients I use to make my own mason jar of coffee creamer is I use whatever kind of coconut milk I can find in this little half-gallon size. Today, this is what we have. We have almond and coconut milk, and we have this can of coconut milk. And what I have done is, what I have found rather, to be the secret sauce for making this coffee creamer. I make this about, I would say, once a week, is I spoon it out, and you can see that I'm getting past all of the solid now and into the liquid. You can see that the liquid is down there. I have found that if I take all of this and I warm it, I empty the can, I warm all of this up in the microwave for about a good 30 seconds. Now, I know some of you have done this before, kind of on the stovetop, and that's perfect. So what I do then is I take this and I fill this up about halfway. And then what I do once it's done is I take what's coming out of the microwave, the warmed up, and I pour it in here, and I top this off so it goes about right there. And every single day, then when I go in the fridge, I pull this out when I'm ready to make my coffee, I give it a little shake, bring it out. Every morning before I even use it, I pour a little bit of it out, like whatever I'm going to use in my cup of coffee for the morning. I pour it into my coffee cup, and before I add my coffee, I warm the coffee creamer. So I just showed you how I make this. I make this by adding half of this. The rest of it is this, and it's warmed up so that it's no longer in a solid. I keep that in my fridge. Every morning when I wake up, I add it, I pour it into my coffee mug. And the reason I do that is because there's just something about the consistency that is profound and amazing after it has been warmed up. So here is the secret to making coconut milk just taste absolutely irresistible and just really good. So what I do then is I pour it into here. Normally this is, this and this combined, but for the sake of this video, I'm just doing it quickly. And I bought one of these little frothers from Amazon. So then I put the frother in the cup of coffee, give it a good frothing. Now this particular frother looks like it's on its last leg, so frothing it doesn't always work so well when the frother is ready for retirement. But I give a good zhuzh, as you can see here, as best you can when your frother's dying. And then I like to, at least for my afternoon cup of coffee, I like to have a French press of coffee. It just, I don't know, it makes me feel like I'm living in the city again and just enjoying life. And you're gonna see that this coffee just looks like irresistible, yummy coffee again. So if you're a coffee girl and you're really just struggling without your favorite cup of coffee, that is the way that I do it. Now, it's not really everybody's jam, and I get that, but if you're wanting to make a go of it, if you're just desperate to have your favorite cup of coffee back, I recommend just giving it a try, I've found that, it's a little bit of an acquired taste. I don't want to fool you and say that it tastes just like regular coffee creamer, because it doesn't. I mean, it has a different flavor to it, but it's so minor. Like, it's really so minor. So there you have it. Now every day I have my coffee creamer ready to go for the rest of the week. So I recommend it. It's a little bit pricey, but you know what? We've paid a lot more for a lot of things that are a lot worse for us, right? All right. I hope you have a good day.